Hello friends, today let us discuss how to calculate present value interest factor annuity. This is short form for present value interest factor annuity. PVIFA stands for present value interest factor annuity. There are two ways of calculating present value interest factor annuity. One is using formula and another one is using calculator. This is using formula, using calculator. Formula for present value interest factor annuity PVIFA equals to 1 minus 1 plus r whole power minus n divided by r. Here r equals to rate of interest, n equals to number of years. Now let us solve one example using formula. Let us take r equals to 10%, n equals to 5 years. R equals to 10% equals to 10 divided by 100 equals to 0.1. So our formula 1 minus 1 plus r whole power minus n divided by r. 1 minus 1 plus r, take percentage in decimals, 0.1 whole power minus n equals to 5 years, so minus 5 whole divided by r equals to 0.1. 1 minus 1.1 whole power minus 5 whole divided by 0.1. First let us calculate 1.1 whole power minus 5. How to calculate 1.1 whole power minus 5? Take calculator, press 1.1, press into, press 1, press equals to 5 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. 1.61051. This 1.61051 is answer for 1.1 whole power 5 equals to 1.61051. We want answer for 1.1 whole power minus 5. So minus 5 means press divide button, press equals to button. 0.6209. 0.6209. This is the answer for 1.1 whole power minus 5. So 1 minus 0.6209 divided by 0.1. 1 minus 0.6209 divided by 0.1. 3.791. This is our answer for present value interest factor annuity for 10%, 5 years. Therefore, present value interest factor annuity 10%, 5 years equals to 3.791. Now let us solve the same example using calculator. Take calculator. Here r equals to 0.1, so press 1.1. If r equals to 10%, press 1.2. If r equals to 30%, press 1.3. Here we have r equals to 10%, so press 1.1, press divide button, press equals to 5 times. Why 5 times means here n equals to 5 years, so press equals to button 5 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. Next press GT. GT stands for grand total, 3.7907. So you can round it off as 3.791. Therefore present value interest factor annuity 10% 5 years equals to 3.7908 or 3.791. That is how you can calculate present value interest factor annuity using calculator. Now let us solve two examples using both formula and calculator. Example 1. Here R equals to 5%, N equals to 6 years. First we will calculate using formula. Our formula is 1 minus 1 plus R whole power minus N divided by R. 1 minus R equals to 5%. So 5% means 5 divided by 100 equals to 0.05. You have to take in decimals, percentage in decimals. So 1 plus 0.05 whole power minus n. Minus n, here n equals to 6 years. So minus 6 divided by R equals to 0.05. 1 minus 1.05 whole power minus 6 divided by 0.05. First calculate 1.05 whole power minus 6. How to calculate 1.05 whole power minus 6? Take calculator, press 1.05 into 1, press equals to button 6 times. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. Press divide button, press equals to 0.7462. This is the answer for 1.05 whole power minus 6. So write here 1.05 whole power minus 6 equals to 0.7462 whole divided by 0.05. 1 minus 0.7462 divided by 0.05. 0.05. This is our answer, 5.076. 5.076. Therefore present value interest factor annuity 5%, 6 years equals to 5.076. Now let us solve same example using calculator. Here R equals to 5%. So press 1.05 because take percentage in decimals. So 1.05. Press divide button. Press equals to button 6 times. Why 6 times? N equals to 6 years. So press 6 times equals to button. First time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time, sixth time. Press GT, grand total. Answer 5.0757. Therefore present value interest factor annuity 5%, 6 years using calculator equals to 5.0757. 5.0757. You can round it off as 5.076 and 3 decimals. Same answer using formula, and this is using calculator. Now let us solve one more example using R equals to 20% and N equals to 3 years. First let us solve using formula. Our formula is 1 minus 1 plus R whole power minus N divided by R. 1 minus 1 plus R equals to 20%. So take it in decimals. 0.2 whole power minus N. N equals to 3 years minus 3 divided by R equals to 20%. So 0.2. 1 minus 1.2 whole power minus 3 divided by 0.2. First calculate 1.2 whole power minus 3. How to calculate 1.2 whole power minus 3? Take calculator, press 1.2, press equals to button, press 1, press equals to button 3 times. Why 3 times? Here n equals to 3. So first time, second time, third time. This is answer for 1.2 whole power 3. We want answer for 1.2 whole power minus 3. So press divide button. Press equals to 0.5787. This is answer for 1.2 whole power minus 3. So 1 minus 1.2 whole power minus 3. Our answer is 0.5787. 0.5787 whole divided by 0.2. 1 minus 0.5787 divided by 0.2. 2.1065. This is our answer. So present value interest factor annuity 20% comma 3 years equals to 2.1065. Now let us solve same example using calculator. 1 plus r. So 1 plus 0.2 equals to 1.2. Press 1.2 in calculator. Press divide button. Press equals to button 3 times because n equals to 3. First time, second time, third time. Press GT, grand total. 2.10648. So 2.1065. Present value interest factor annuity 20% comma 3 years using calculator equals 2.1065. Same answer using formula. This is using calculator. Thanks for watching.